Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Minute, where today I'll show you how to quickly install a dash cam on a brand new Toyota Prius. Let's go! The first step is quite simple. Let's go ahead and tilt the mirror down. This will give us better access to the plastic shroud above. Once here, I'm going to stick my finger in the gap and pry down on this little piece. This one actually came off quite easily. For the bigger piece, simply push down and away. It'll just slide down and snap out. Let's take a quick look at the connection points. This right here is the connector port we need access to. To remove this, we need to press down on the tab that keeps it locked in place and pull straight out. Now, I'm going to connect the Dongar Technologies adapter. I'll connect this end into the female end of the Dongar adapter and insert the male end into the vehicle's connector port. Make sure everything clicks into place properly. Once done, I'm going to turn on the vehicle and ensure our unit is receiving power. Now that I know it's receiving power, let's connect our dash cam and see if it boots it properly as well. Sweet. Looks like everything's good, so let's move on. Now begins the process of tidying up our cables. I'm going to fast forward through this to save you some time. Alright, I think it's good. Now that it's all put together, all we have left to do is find a nice clear spot on the windshield to attach our dash cam to. Here's some footage of what it looks like in the daytime, and some footage of what it looks like at night. Installing a dash cam has never been easier, so check out Dongar Technologies and show some love if you found this video helpful. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.